My name is Paul. I am a commercial account executive over at Salesloft. I actually joined Salesloft and they had GoLinks, but at my prior company, I had tons of bookmarks. I had tons of, I had to comb through Salesforce to get to certain reports. I had to comb through sales enablement platforms like HighSpot or Seismic. Now, when I joined Salesloft, they already had GoLinks set up and running. I'd say that I save probably at least 30 to 40 minutes just not looking for stuff a day, because I'm constantly hopping around tabs and I don't need to stay so rigidly organized with bookmarks, because I know I can just go to GoLinks and find exactly what I might need to internally. And even when I'm on a call or a client facing call, I can use GoLinks to find the answer and expedite that conversation instead of saying, I don't know the answer, let me get back to you. I would recommend GoLinks 10 out of 10 because it's super helpful and it helps you stay organized. And like I said, it surfaces the right content very quickly.